Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1aauto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 2006 Chrysler 300. We're going to show you how to replace a cracked or broken front bumper cover. Now, this procedure can be applied to a variety of plastic bumpers, and while it is not a permanent repair, it is a great way to keep your bumper in one piece while you wait for a proper replacement. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles, and if you ever need parts for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1aauto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. On our Chrysler, our bumper has got a good bit of damage on it. You can see that the bottom here is all cracked all the way along. We have another small crack over here. What this can do is it can allow air to get in there, and eventually it could create enough pressure to make the crack worse and go up onto the visible portions of our bumper, break this entire portion off, or it might just make some annoying sounds going down the road. So we're going to show you a good method for repairing this. Now, you can start on one end and work your way down, but our crack is in kind of a weird place and it wraps around the bumper. So I like to start in the first place that I can get a good tight line to start lining up the crack and keep it going all the way along our bumper. So we'll hold these two portions together, and what you want to do is drill the four corners of a square. What I mean by that is you want to have 4 points that are nice and even with each other. This will make sure our zip ties not only get a good bite, but also have a good even pattern so they look good and hold tight. So now you'll reach through the back of the bumper to make sure that the actual lock tab on the zip tie gets captured back there. Make sure you have two of the same width zip ties. If they're different lengths, that's okay. Go ahead and reach through your bumper, and the trick here is to make sure that you cross these zip ties over each other. You can see that is kind of a pain to get the zip tie through, but it does mean that it's going to be nice and tight and hold everything nice and stable. You can make the holes a little bit bigger, but it's not going to hold as tight. Now, once we've pulled that through, now go ahead and close off your zip tie. Now, once you've got one done, go ahead and feed the zip tie through and cross it over the other way. Once you've got those down nice and tight, go ahead and trim the ends off. We'll repeat this process all the way down the length of our crack. Now, you'll want to space these out about one width. So you'll see we have the width of this stitch. We'll do that width as a gap and then make another one over here. You can actually go a little bit bigger than the one I did there. You don't need a lot of pressure when you do this, because you don't want to go too far through the bumper or risk making the crack any worse. Now, to make this process go faster, now that we have the base of our line tightened up and where we want it to be, we'll go ahead and drill all of our holes, then install and tighten all of our zip ties, and then cut all of the tails throughout the whole crack to make everything go a little faster and a little smoother. So with our zip stitching in place, while it may not be the most aesthetically pleasing repair, it is strong and will prevent our bumper from breaking further or making any strange noises or wind currents while driving, while we wait to get a new, proper replacement.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.